Jump ball. It's between Cagayan de Oro versus Manila. Number 15, corner pass for 3. No. Here you go, Team Manila. Ladica holds the ball. Number 14, behind the back dribble. Screen by Mendoza. Launches on 3. Bang! First blood. Here comes Team Cagayan de Oro. Number 7, pass to the right wings. The attack, the kicks out. Number 14 drives. Number 7. Stop, pull-up jumper. No good. Number 14 to number 9 for Team Cagayan de Oro. Number 16, that drives the bump. Hook shot, no good. Battle for the rebound. Goes to Team Manila. Long pass. Fires, no good. Another one for Ladica. Cleaning his own mess. Here you go, Team Cagayan de Oro. The attack. No hesitation. That's good. Sa sobrang ganda ng laban, walang nakaka-score. Idusa. Number 15. Stops, kicks out. And spin. Pull-up jumper. That's good. Number 14. High pass. Number 9. For Team Cagayan de Oro. And nice rotation ball movement here. No. The rebound still for Team Cagayan de Oro. The bump. Spins. Inside pass. Floater. Oh, nice move. Nice pass. And attacks the Lees. So what a smooth move for Manila. Number 18 goes to the corner. Maganda tong pasahan ngayon ng magandang pasa ng Cagayan de Oro. Yung ganda namang Pinoy move nun. Oh, di pumasok, sayang yun. Manansala, inside pass. Oh, damay ba? Parang Superman. Pass stolen. Manansala. The pass kicks out for 3. Vergara, bang! 3 point. And here's Team Manila. Manansala, the pass to Ladica, Dali, send the finish, Ladica. 14, pass to number 9. For Team Cagayan de Oro, number 14 is spinning. Inside pass, pull-up jumper, that's good. Inbound for Team Cagayan de Oro. Nice pass inside, knockout play, no rebound, the burst layup, that's good. Here comes Team Manila, Arellano. And the pass. Inside pass. Perez. Tinapboard pa. Signaling the play. The pass number 8. Moneza. Pass back number 14. Pass to the right wings. The bump. Fires. No good. Rebound and a putback. The second chance for Team CDO. Monteza. The long pass. Perez. Spins, libre, easy bucket. Perez. And back to 2-point lead for Team Manila Arellano. Ooh, ties the game. And attacks. Stops. Pull up game. Verbo. Another 2 back. And the pass break. Ladica, 2-step at the rim. Basket is good. 28-22, 6-point lead for Team Manila Arellano. The fake, the kicks out. To the middle, open, pull-up jumper, bullseye. Number 15, Baluyot. Baluyot, pass to the middle. Number 6, Manansala, na libre, easy to Manansala. Ladica with the leather. Against number 16, attacks, kicks out, wide open for 3. Bang! 3 points. Team CDO pa rin ng bola. The crossover, iniwan nyo na. Boom! Basket and 1. Saan ka punta? Tutamon. For Ladica, bounce pass. Perez. Post up. Spins. Rejected. Nakuha niya ulit. Umiikot. Kicks out for 3. Bang! 3 points. And it's up. Bounce pass to the middle. Pass back to number 7. No look pass on the inside. Reverse layup. Ang raming tumalon dun. Pass. Fires. No. Follow up shot. That's good. For the inbound for Team CDO, number 16, high pass. Number 8 to the corner, that drives the reverse layup. That's good.
Kobe Loren.
Team CDO. He stops and pass back. Number 7, the drives, bump, stops, pull up jumper, and it's in.
Poblete.
Number 16, the pass. Cross court pass. Attacks, lays off the window, basket is good.
Nico Edulsa.
And now Nari, the bump, top shot, that's good.
Lawrence Pilias.
Number 14, Edusa. Looking for the receiver, number 7. Big high hook between the legs, spins. And the pass, Edusa, pull up jumper. No. Rebound dito para sa Team Manila. Arellano. Stolen. Hook shot, basket and one. Oh. Rebound number 12. The long pass. Eksakto yung pasa. Mendoza sinausaw.
Axel.
To 1 point lead. Bastillo. Pass to Dying. Spins. Kicks out. Pigs. Drive. Stop. Inside pass. Pull up jumper. Corner. That's good.
Poblete.
Number 16 Pilias. Bump. Lace. That's good. The answer.
Lawrence Pilias.
Back. Number 14. Stops and pass. To the
2
middle.
minutes.
Bastillo spins. Crossover. Pass on the inside. Gandang pasa. Short. Follow-up shot. No good. Grabe yun. Ganda pa naman. Bounce pass. Dalawa laban sa isa. The lace. Basket is good.
Lawrence Pilias.
Asking for his teammate. And the pass. Number 18. Tip 3. Short. Rebound number 12. Picks. Oh, what a step through number 12. Pass. Stolen. No look pass inside. Ganda namang no look pass nga. Muntik ka na namang mataman. For Team Manila, Arellano. Stops and pass. Perez. And recover. 4-3. Bang! 3 points. Manalo sa Team Manila. Ladika. Kicks it out. Stolen. And the pass. Pass break now. Binit beat. Lays. That's good.
Nico Edulsa.
And another steal. Open look. Bang! Back to back. And for the inbound. Bigs. Manansala. Kicks it out. Fires a 3. Bang! 3 points.
Sapo. 3.
Number 11, Sapo. Pass. And Daddy Cadalays. That's good. For the inbound. Number 14. Number 7. Pass back. Another extra pass. Atake. Spins move. Fades away. Short. Rebound Ladika. Pass break. Libreng-libre na. Dinakdak ni Manansala. And number 7. Pass to number 5. Spins. Kicks out. And na-recover number 7. Pull up jumper. That's good.
Christian Bustillo.
Point for Team CDO. And kicks out number 7 Bastillo. Number 16 Duerte. Attacks. Lace off the window. That's good.
Zamper.
To the corner. Pull up jumper. That's good.
Earl Poblete.
Behind the back dribble. Number 16. For Team Manila, Arellano. Inside pass bump and far Mendoza. And it's a good.
Mendoza.
And almost stolen. Recover. Oh, stolen. Here's Ladika. Binitbit. The sauce. And the finish. Sa Team Manila, Arellano. Pilias with the lace. That's good. Number 16. Number 7. Kicks out. Pull up jumper. No. Rebound dito kay Mendoza. Stolen. And the pass. Picks. Spins. Kicks out. Well open for 3. Bang! 3 points.
Nico Edulsa.
Ika. Pass to number 15. Dribbling at the top, spinning. Goes inside, pinabitin pa. Nice, good. Cover, number 5. Cross pass again, natapikan na naman. Ladika umikot pa. Ladika, oh, dumila pa si Ladika. And the long pass for Team CD. Oh, that's good.
Christian Bustillo.
Manansala behind the back dribble is stolen again. And all along the easy two.
Bustillo.
And stops. Number 10. Step back. Spins. No, stolen. And the pass break. 2-on-1 spins. Number 14 the recover. Number 7 the attack. Inside pass. Hook shot. That's good. Down to 2-point lead. The long pass. And Ladika. That's good. Ladika. Number 14 Idosa against number 16. He attacks. Kicks out. Drives to the middle. Pull up jumper. The free throw. Bullseye. 75 2-point lead. Ladika. Screened by Perez. Open look. Sopa for 3. Bang! 3-point. Bump. Bastillo behind the back dribble. Recover looking for the receiver. Ball is stolen. Behind the back. Libre. Easy bucket.
Lawrence Phillips.
And is number 7. Kicks out for 3. No. Rebound dito para kay Manansala. Behind the back dribble para kay Ladika. Easy bucket. What a pass. Coming. Edusa goes inside the lace of the window. That's good. Number 11, Sapo. The pass. Oop, nagkatulakan. Offensive foul. No, bas Team CDO. Edusa. 85-80. 5-point lead for Team Manila Arellano. And the pass. Spins. Goes inside. Poke. Stolen. And the pass. Here comes Manansala. The fake. The lace. Grabe lumipad. Ala Superman. Stops. Looking for the receiver. Pass to number 7. Bastillo. Bounce pass to the middle. Ang gandang pass. Anun? Kicks out. For 3. Short. Rebound by Vergara. Baseball pass. Ladika. The attack. Pinoy step. And the pass. Whoa! What a finish, Manansala. And 3 minutes 38 seconds left for the final quarter. 89-89 point lead for Team Arellano. Stop, fakes, bounce pass inside, hook shot, no good. Rebounds for Bastillo for that's good.
Bustillo.
Backdoor inbound. Fakes. Manansala, fake. Step through. What a step through, Manansala. For 3. No. Rebound, put back na rebound pa niya and the bucket cleaning his own mess. Looking for the receiver. And the pass to the middle. Ang gandang ball rotation sa 3. No, short, rebound. Oh, libre, what a pass. Down to 3-point lead. Still 5-point lead. Recover, picks. Drives, another pass for 3. Bang! 3 points down to 2-point lead. Ladika first throw. No basket. No good. 96-94, 2-point lead for Team Manila. Fires, that's good. 3-point lead. And there's chance. Fires. Oh, rejected.